Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome to Plot a Garden. Overwatering is a sneaky issue many gardeners face, but we're here with tips to keep your plants thriving. Let's dive in. Overwatering can lead to waterlogged soil and root rot. Signs include yellowing leaves, wilting despite wet soil, and a bad odor. If you see these, it's time to act. Every plant has unique water needs. For instance, succulents need less water compared to ferns. Research your plants and adjust watering schedules accordingly. Check soil moisture before watering. Stick to a schedule based on plant needs. Water at the base to prevent diseases and ensure roots get the water. Use well-draining soil and pots with drainage holes. If using decorative pots, add gravel or use a liner pot. Look for new growth and firm leaves as signs of recovery. Monitor your plants and adjust care as needed. Balance is key. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Happy gardening!